Okay. Sometimes you have, so this is some ID, so travel light, automation, and visibility. I think you can think about this. But sometimes you have to manage existing documentation. Yeah, you have already some process and some methods. You have this long amount of document to produce. Okay, I propose to look at this on 3 angles. First one is customer. Second one is needs and reuse. To be honest, the customer, as we say, is a not baked ID. So it's something I am discussing with a quality director in a big company in France. We are trying to put this in place, but we don't know if it will work or not. I prefer to be honest. It's just an idea. Okay, so as Lynn said, focus on customer, and to realize the value of a document, you have to put customer glasses. There's a typical way of doing this. And you can use a more analytic approach. You can list your document. You can list all areas that contribute to customer satisfaction. Okay, fit for purpose, usability, deployment, stability. This is not fixed. You of course have certification. It can be 99%. It depends. I don't know. But the exercise is to really to have an analytic approach to this. And then after you decide, okay, this document contributes to this and this, not to the other point. And to try to have a value here, and you can sort the documentation. Because it's always difficult to say, okay, this document doesn't have any value for my customer. So, as I say, it's not baked, it's an ID. But we are working on this to see how we can simplify a big amount of document in a big French company. Okay, this one, needs. Focus on need. I am using this all the time. When someone is doing a documentation, I am asking, who is reading or using it? So simple question. Typically, I have 4 kinds of answers. The first one, I call it pragmatic. This guy used my document, I know he provides feedbacks. Okay, I just can say, okay, keep this document. Perfect. Second kind of answer, mandatory. We have to. Okay, that's also an answer. We have to deliver this document by contract according to the norm. So what we can do, maybe we can try to reduce it to a minimum. And I will explain how later. After we have this kind of guy, disillusion. Nobody is reading it, but you know it's in our quality process. If you never meet these kind of people, you are a liar. So, how can I help you? Who is the quality director in this company? We have to do something on this area. Okay, and the last one, I say foolish. Someone should read it. I am right. All the other people are wrong. I know what I am doing, so I will continue to produce my document. Nobody is reading it. But I will continue. Okay, stop it. No discussion, stop. That's what I'm doing in Yahoo. I said to this guy, stop. But it's important, stop. Stop. Any additional time is a waste. Stop. Okay, but it really works. So it means that people have to know why they are producing a document. And sometimes it could be like this or like this. So check. It's important to check. Okay. What I call reuse of document. Maybe the term is not really right, but it's not the right word. But okay, the idea is to evaluate how documents are used or reused by people in the company or outside the company. And what we did in Yahoo, but because we have the chance to use a wiki, all our documents are on a wiki. And we have collected employees' accesses to the document. So we know exactly who is accessing the document and who accessed the document before, how many people, how many times, and things like this. So we can build this kind of matrix and try to see how it works and if we have to keep the document. Just an idea, I said a few minutes ago that the process framework in Yahoo is a 2-pages document. Okay. In fact, I have a 2-pages document and I have also a 20-pages document. Maybe for those who are less mature in this area. So, do you know that 48% of the company have accessed the 2-pages document, and 5% of the company have accessed the 20-pages document. So if I want to give you an additional reason to produce short document, is because people are more able to read short and small documents. Okay, so you can use this value. You can define criteria if you are really an analytic person or an analytic company. You can, if the document meets criteria, keep it, but continue to try to simplify it and to evaluate alternative options to produce the same information. If the document does not meet the criteria, stop and change your process if it is in your process. So, a simple practice is something I use for the nuclear project, and I did it for all documents. I call it a simplification meeting. All the team in the same room, one document template, or maybe one document with all information. The objective of the meeting is to keep all the sections, because most of the time you have sections according to the norm or to the standard, so you are not able to remove completely a section. So you will keep the section, you will keep the structure of the document, but the game is to remove all information that is duplicated, that does not add value, and find better way of producing information. Several benefits for this. At the end, the document is simpler. For example, for the nuclear project, we reduced by 40% the number of pages we produced for the project compared to the project next to us. 40%. I estimate it was a 2,600 man-day project, and I think we save about 150 days. Just by reducing by 40% the size of the documentation. Okay, and additional benefits, you have really a common vision for the team. The team know exactly what will be in the document. So something you say, people are intelligent and they are not stupid, yes, are intelligent. They have to channel what they have to put in the document. It's not automatic. It's not, I have this to do. They can think about what they are doing. And if you do this, they show a common definition of the content, and they are going to produce additional document much faster than ever. So, but honestly, I use this as a game, as a challenge for the team. Yeah, we can reduce 1 page more. Yeah, where? Okay, this is my way of managing team, of course. You can do something else. But playing a game, it's more an have fun. It's definitely an agile practice. Thanks.